I've driven on the intercourse a million times. But we're gonna take the Miata on the big track today with mass tuning. But it's a little wet out. My tires aren't the greatest. I changed every single fluid in this car, and I hope it holds together. Coming up the Cornwall Bridge. But let's get there. Matthew's gonna be there, Matt, with his turbo Miata. And I'm sure there's gonna be a ton of Miatas, maybe a Viper GT350, we'll see. Pouring. Just did my first session. I didn't film it because I just wanted to get a feel for the track. It's bumper to bumper with a 4.58 though. Passed me in the straights. Corners was not too far off, but let's go out for a little session in the rain. Actually, I let off a little bit. This is gonna look dog shit slow because it's wet and I gotta drive this car home and these tires suck. the end of the day, we got about a half hour of sunlight. The track started to dry up, and Matt hopped in the car with me, and we did some time lapse. I got a 115, then 114, and I think my best was a 113. It's kind of hard to do with traffic. I don't know if that's good or not for stock Miata. It felt pretty good. Yeah, and of course I didn't film it. The one part that I did film was probably my worst, when it was wet and I was getting passed left and right. But that's it for this video. Now I am kind of, you know, I'm hooked. I want to go back. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Stay tuned for more videos as I progress my driving and I progress the Miata build and the M3. I got to get the M3 back out on the road. Take that to the track. That should be fun. All right, that's it.